in terms of cost, oh my goodness. I mean, if we look at it as an industry, I think from an online payment standpoint and also from merchant acquiring standpoint, I think the cost is massive. The article around, 54 talked about, a whole lot of money. I mean, millions of dollars. And that speaks for itself because this was a platform that was saying, hey, let's provide a solution for Nigerians. Nigerians should be able to use a virtual wallet to make international payments, right? And before you knew it, right, the numbers went up, people, chargeback fraud became a thing. You had the likes of Visa, MasterCard running away and stuff like that. It's not something you really want to see, but I can tell you also categorically from an agency banking perspective, which is something that has also increased significantly merchant payment or pretty much card present payment in Nigeria. It is also huge. I've seen organizations that have gone to mention close to billions in chargeback fraud, and it's that crazy. So I think it is something that is major. I've put a number to it. You can't really put a number to it because different organizations, a lot of organizations today won't even share with you because they'll rather solve their problems themselves, right? But what I can say is it is something that is very, very massive, and also most organizations, these are also taking away huge percentage of the revenue. And I mean, just like you said, it's something one or two organizations would have suffered from today. I think 50% of payment companies in Nigeria today have suffered from cashback. And it's actually sad because I think at the initial stage when payment was a thing in Nigeria, it was a thing that was out there then, and immediately there were processes put in place to actually ensure that didn't become a major thing. But all of a sudden, I think it became something again last 2-3 years, and I mean, I think I can say categorically, I think a particular region in Nigeria, they are the guys that are really focused on this cashback thing. I think about 80% of total chargeback, I would say in Nigeria today, comes from that region, and it's quite alarming. And I hope that a lot of organizations have been able to put up a lot of processes in place to ensure that this really stops. But putting the number to it is difficult, but I can tell you for a fact that it is a major problem as an industry.